Welcome to the Pit Stop Tire Pros. Today, we are going to highlight our best-selling truck bed tonneau cover, the Retrax Pro XR. The reason why this tonneau cover is so popular among our customers is the rugged lockable bed system with the T-slot versatility that allows fitment of the most popular brand roof racks, from Yakima to Rhino Rack, giving the user all kinds of capabilities for outdoor sports and leisure with the added security to keep your belongings safe. Now, Retrax is not sponsoring this video, but this is organically the most installed tonneau cover by our customers' request, and from installing several of these, we know why. The solid aluminum construction is capable for work or play with easy adjustments for the novice installer. Assembly is probably the easiest tonneau cover to install, with two bed mount rails attached at both ends with the top drum cover installed last. After the rails and cover are assembled, the whole unit just drops in. On smaller beds, 4 clamps are provided, and with longer beds getting 6 clamps. Clamps install between the rail adjusters with a lower pressure adjuster for aligning the clamp. The kit also provides drain tubes that will drain any water accumulated in the side rails out through the bed. Keeping your cargo safe and dry. Retrax provides 2 keys for the lock on the cover, allowing its multi-position locking cover to lock in any position front to back. With the lockable design and integrated bed rails, the Retrax Pro XR is our pick for the most outdoor capable tonneau cover. With this rock-solid tonneau cover, you can explore all of the adventures the outdoors has to offer. Be sure to like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos.